guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how to solder pennies or dimes and nickels together, or whatever, just soldering coins in general. You can apply this to different methods of welding. You can how to weld it, like you can weld things together. Technically you're soldering it, but welding things together, as you can see here, I actually kind of went a little overboard with this one, but you can attach coins together, as you can see here, these pennies. So you can turn this into this, and with a little bit of time you can actually make it better, as my first one looks like this, and it's together just like this penny over here, just like these two pennies over here. So you can make from 2 to 1. And how do you think you can do this? With just lead. So let's get into the video. Alright, so this is what you're going to need. These are the item lists. So you're going to need solder. You're going to need 2 objects or whatever. So I guess it could be pennies, it could be quarters or whatever. You're going to need a bobby pin. So what you do with a bobby pin is you just take the 2 with the solder inside. You take some pieces of solder, put it inside, and then what you want to do is squeeze it in between the bobby pin and put it all the way down, and then fold the sides back, fold the sides forward or in, so around the thing, so it can make a nice tight little seal right here. So when you slide them in with a piece of solder in, it holds it down. But then when you heat it up and you begin the process of welding it together, it will go down. And then you're gonna need 2 pieces, or you're gonna actually need 1 piece of lead. You can use 2. In this case, I'm gonna use 2 because that'll heat it up faster. But in other cases, you'll just need 1, and you just need to attach one of the wires to pennies and another wire to one of these. And what you're also gonna need is some water. I just have a Chick-fil-A cup here, so like, you know, in any other welding you've seen in movies and everything, you just stick it in and then it cools off. And then you're gonna need a power source. This one happens to be 24 volts, so it has to be at least around 24 volts, or at least high enough for it to make a major difference in the heat and the heat output that you're that's going to be expelled from this into the pennies. So let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to take our solder here, as you can see here. Also, you're going to probably need a scissor. It doesn't really matter. You can probably use your hand for it, but you take it and you just snip off a nice little piece here, and you just bend it over like that. Then you take your pennies, drag it over here, and you just put it on there. So you can probably estimate how big it is or whatever, but I just usually do it in smaller pieces so it can have more spread out and everything, and more could be applied to it. But you just leave it on there like that. It doesn't really matter, it doesn't have to look pretty. You set the penny on top and you just push down till it becomes leveled, till the solder becomes leveled. Then you pick it up, get your little makeshift holding device here, clamp. Then what you want to do is you want to, you want to kind of get it like that. You want to make it open and slide it in there, then close it. So it's not as pretty, so it's not as good. Yeah, they kind of shifted on the inside. Solder kind of shifted on the inside, but it's alright. It will be perfectly fine. Just make sure you kind of get it lined up there, and then just bend it down a little bit. Make sure it's nice and level. Alright, now let's get to, now let me show you it working. Start off like that. Make it start off going. Make it go continuous. You gotta find the right spot. I don't know if you can really see it, but that side is closed up already. Might not want to keep it on there for too long, because then the penny might melt. Cool down. So then you can just lay them down anywhere. Oh. And then take your little welding project here and just dip it in the water. See how quick that went out? Oh. And there you go. It's done. Alright, now with the coin done, so you see here, I could just touch it after putting in the water, but I could just take it out, slide it out of here, and boom, look at that. It's together now because the solder melted on the inside, but it doesn't always matter about the solder. You can always keep it on there for a long time and have it end up looking like this when I had it on there for too long and it melted the penny and the penny welded itself together on that side. And then as you can see here, the copper's on the inside from my other one. I don't know if you can see it on this one, but you can kind of see it on the inside. There's copper there, I mean the solder there, so it melted and now it's together. Pretty durable too, doesn't want to move, doesn't want to come apart. You can throw them at things, do whatever. And that's pretty much how you weld. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, because I need all the support I can get, and I'll be posting more videos very soon. And like and share and subscribe, press those notification buttons to see more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys later, and bye.